Hi, I'm architect Nayan Shah from Palindrome Spaces, Mumbai. We have designed this gorgeous sea-facing home for a very down-to-earth couple, Shrishti and Nishant. We were thrilled to design this gorgeous sea-facing family home where little tidbits of South Indian forms came alive in a vibrant modern setting. Our response was to the context of rich, traditional South Indian craft forms, yet in a restrained, efficient, and a relatable design language. One of the most unique aspects of the project are bespoke furniture, either sourced from an exclusive furniture atelier or designed by us. Elements such as monolithic wooden dining table or custom designed bedroom furniture echoing local forms. Moreover, we have used high quality Burma teak for the perfect warmth and durability. Every space is designed with a custom color and a material palette. The master bedroom is definitely close to my heart, as we have achieved a playful balance between the local context of South India and an evolved contemporary sensibility. From the custom pieces of furniture such as the bed, the side table, the TV unit with all these intricate designs and detailing, we have achieved the brief of the client. The home overlooks the Bay of Bengal, and the wall behind me, the paneling on it represents the waves on the bay. Here at Palindrome Spaces, we believe in creating spaces that matter.